Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever felt frustrated with a slow Microsoft Edge browser, today's video is for you. I'm going to show you 4 simple but super effective ways to make Edge faster in 2025. By the end of this guide, your browsing experience will feel snappy and smooth, guaranteed. So let's dive in. Enable Startup Boost. The first trick is enabling Startup Boost. This feature helps Edge launch almost instantly by preloading some background processes. To turn it on, click the three-dot menu in the top right corner, go to Settings, then System and Performance, and finally toggle Startup Boost on. Now Edge will start faster every time you open it, saving you precious seconds. Activate Efficiency Mode. Next up, Efficiency Mode. This mode optimizes Edge's performance and reduces system resource usage, especially useful when your computer is under heavy load or running on battery. To enable it, head to Settings, System and Performance, and toggle Enable Efficiency Mode. You'll notice your system running smoother, and Edge won't slow you down. Clear browsing data regularly. Over time, cache and cookies can pile up and make Edge sluggish. Clearing your browsing data regularly is a simple way to boost speed. Go to Settings, Privacy, Search and Services. Clear browsing data, choose what to clear, and set the time range to all time for a complete cleanup. Trust me, this step alone can make a huge difference. Disable unused extensions. Finally, let's talk about extensions. While useful, having too many unused extensions can seriously drag down performance. Navigate to the extension section, review what's installed, and disable or remove anything you don't use regularly. Fewer extensions mean a faster, more responsive browser. And there you have it! 4 simple steps to make Microsoft Edge faster and more efficient in 2025. Try these tips and see how much smoother your browsing becomes. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon so you never miss a tech tip. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.